कुछ कुछ दिनों से काइंड ऑफ एंटी गवर्नमेंट वीडियोस बन रहे हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं। मतलब बहुत सारे, मतलब कुछ ही दोस्त हैं, कुछ ही रिलेटिव्स हैं जो देखते हैं, और उसमें से कुछ दोस्त और अंधभक्त तो नहीं बोलूँगा अभी, पर हाँ मोदी सपोर्टर। और कुछ लोगों का बहुत वैलिड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि मोदी नहीं तो कौन, बिकॉज इवन लेट्स से राहुल गांधी या कोई भी ऑपोजिशन के लीडर्स, देयर इज नो वन हु स्टैंड्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ मोदी, भले ही मोदी वॉट एवर इज डूइंग। सो आई ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन द गुड पार्ट अबाउट मोदी और बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट राइट नाउ। देखते हैं हो पाया तो, नॉट डोंट guarantee, can't assure, but let's see if I could. Well, so see, he's a Gujarati, he's from a Gujarati family, he's a businessman at heart. So obviously what can you expect from a businessman? So what he has done is very good for the nation from one perspective. Being a Gujarati, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है is one of the core philosophy, and he has marketed his work, या फिर जो नहीं भी किया वो भी, but he has marketed it so well that it becomes glorious, it becomes worth noticing, yeah, people fall for it, whatever you say. तो the point being, जैसे नहीं, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So he's totally using that philosophy, and it is working for him, and it's working for him well. So can't deny that. And having a business mindset, wahi is being projected to a lot of nations, whether those nations are our allies or not our allies, but basically it's working for a lot of reasons. And that's what is also one of the reason that the current government is still in power. Point B, ये तो ठीक है, जैसे जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, इज ओके. मराठी में एक और थोड़ा सा सेइंग है, जसं दिसतं तसं नसतं आणि म्हणून जग फसतं. सो जो दिखता है वो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वही हो एक्चुअली. So the day people start to realize, not just for this BJP or Modi government, I can say this for any government, at least for the governments that we have seen, and it's majorly Congress and BJP. But still, the point being, opposition में कौन, and how would this problem be solved? So in spite of what I've admired Modi and BJP government, corruption issues do not are not solved yet. They're not addressed properly, and I've been a solution architect, so हमारा काम है to provide solutions. Point being, people should be able to work on that solution. It's pretty simple. You identify the root cause and you work on it, and if you ask me, I do have a solution. पर गवर्नमेंट में कोई ऐसा तगड़ा इंसान होना चाहिए, तगड़ा लीडर होना चाहिए, who is willing to work on that particular idea, implement it, and make the system good, better, जो भी. So that is what all that is right now. बस देखते हैं, अदरवाइज जैसे चल रहा है वो तो चलते ही रहेगा. Cool.